Hello, everybody. Welcome to the pre-market show. Having a little bit of technical difficulties. I see a telephone call coming through now from Andrew here. So there was a little bit of some crossing of the wires that happens. It's to be expected when we're doing live, and we're streaming live on YouTube from time to time. We're gonna have these sort of technical challenges. So we've had to create a new link, but we're here. That's the main thing, is we're here. We've also changed the time, so we're a little bit earlier today. Starting from now on, we'll be doing from 1:30 instead of from 2:15. That's to accommodate some schedules and some calendars. So welcome one and all to the pre-market show. Yours truly, Mandela here. I'm very happy to be on. Like I said, apologies for a little bit of a delayed start. We had a little bit of a crossing of the wires, I guess you could say, with the with the live stream. But hey, the main thing is that we're here now, and that's all that really matters. So today, what are we going to cover today? Well, first off, let me have a quick look at the live chat. We should have a few people. Here we go. Okay, so we have Dishi in the house saying welcome, #CTI. Already getting ready for the prizes. We have General Mortala saying welcome, Mandela, time to start live stream. Yes, indeed. Also, Andrew, welcome. So Andrew's going to be joining me tomorrow on our pre-market show. We'll actually be starting a little earlier tomorrow as well. So we'll be starting up at 1:30 UK time tomorrow. So that's this time. Yeah, there we go. I see Andrew there. You found the right stream here. It's a little bit of hide and go seek going on. But yes, so thank you to everybody in the live chat. We also have Justina as well. Thank you for joining the pre-market show. And this show is going to be, we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to have some fun today. Markets have just been just steaming up, like just marching forward. So we are trying to best position ourselves for what trading is going to look like today. We have, I think there's an announcement. We just had an announcement out of the US not too long ago, and we were working on that technical difficulty issue. So if we share this, here we go. So out of the EU, we would have gotten, here we go. So the interest rate, or the main refinancing rate, as they call it, was 2.15 coming out of the EU. That's good to know. So they held rates, which was more or less anticipated, at 2.15. That came out about just over 15 minutes ago. And then unemployment claims actually better than expected. So employment in the US is ticking really well, ticking up. So no issues from an employment perspective, better than expected, better than previous unemployment claims out of the US. We got that just over 13 minutes ago. And then any minute from now, we'll get the ECB press conference. Francine Lagarde, former IMF president, now ECB chair, giving a press conference in about 1 minute, just over 1 minute. And then later on today, we got flash manufacturing PMI coming out of the US. That's going to be in about 1 hour's time. So 15 minutes after market opens, and then followed up by new home sales. So in terms of data, we've gotten EU, so hold rates, and we have positive employment claims out of the US. So that's good. Very good news. In terms of earnings, yesterday we had some really interesting earnings out of Google. So Google ended up coming out a little bit earlier in their earnings announcement yesterday. And we can see how the price has kind of moved up nicely. So up over 3% in pre-market for Google. I think there was some really positive news on the AI front that I believe will continue to boost Google in the right direction. So really getting a nice push last night into this morning's pre-market, just shy of 200, that nice round number. Looks like it hit it last night briefly, or just about, not quite. Let's see how it opens up today. But that's definitely a post earnings play. And then everybody's favorite electric vehicle company, Tesla, here doing almost the opposite of Google. So coming out with earnings yesterday after the close, it's moved down 6.4%. That's not the best reaction after earnings, considering we were closer to 332 yesterday at the close. But we'll see. The earnings announcement was not what was expected. I think it has a lot to do with regulations pending, and also changing regulations in the US. So we'll see. There is a lot of positivity behind this story, behind this name, but the reaction for, I guess, overnight and post earnings looks like we're going to gap down just over 6%. And I believe the expected move for Tesla was a 6% plus or minus move. So they pretty much hit that one right on the nose. Well done to the options pricers on that front. Okay, I am very happy to let you all know that we will be giving away a prize today. There will be a one-step CTI challenge that will be provided to one lucky winner. So all I ask is that you put in the live chat hashtag CTI, that's hashtag CTI, and you'll be entered into a live draw for a prize, which is a complimentary account courtesy of CTI. CTI celebrating 7 years as one of the best prop firms, and happy to give out a free account to one lucky winner. So in the live chat, right in the live chat right here where you're watching this, hashtag CTI for City Traders Imperium, and we'll be giving that prize away in the next few minutes. Okay, who is watching? Who is streaming with us? So Dishi, looks like Dishi has the top fan prize coming from Dishi. A reminder to also like, comment, and share with others who can join in. It's also very good to remember. Okay, I'm looking here. We got, okay, so Dishi Mela, General Mortala, and then we have the one and only Andrew. Like I said earlier, join Andrew and I tomorrow, the same time, same place, basically. We'll be also simulcasting tomorrow on our Signature FX YouTube channel, but you can also find us simulcasting here on Friday's pre-market show as well. And if you want to get more shows like this, please let us know. Please comment in the live stream, or provide comments to our previous videos. Your feedback is very important, and if you feel like these videos are helpful, then we will be happy to provide more videos like these. As of right now, we're doing Thursday and Friday from 1:30 UK time. So basically 1 hour before New York markets open. Thanks to Justina for the patience this morning. I was actually on the phone trying to get everything sorted this morning, trying to run around, but we got there in the end, and we're able to stream right now to you today. So I see Andrew made it over to the to the right group. Also in the CTI, what do we call it? In the CTI VIP zone, we have Andrew, of course, who is the host with the most, and he'll be joining us tomorrow on the pre-market show. We also have Brett 100X saying, let's go. Keen Nils is also in the live chat with a W for the win. Thank you very much, Dishi, saying my analysis is, or basically Dishi is saying your analysis is very effective. Thank you very much. So news coming was the heads up that we got earlier. And we're going to be giving away, yes, so a question from Brett, are we going to be giving away anything? Yes, the answer is yes. We will be giving away a CTI account. So to one lucky winner who types hashtag CTI in the live chat, you will be receiving a free account. Very easy. Hashtag CTI in the live chat. That will get you there. And yes, Andrew says Tesla is the best vehicle. And I see here it's Andrew Tesla FX. And I wonder, what's your, would you mind sharing your favorite model number? I think that would be good to know. So a couple questions here as well about, oh yeah, good feedback here. Love, great camera. We love energy. We love the energy. Love your analysis. Thank you, Sir Mandela. Can we know what is luminous? Okay, so General Mortala, can you just clarify exactly what do you mean by that? I'm happy to explain, but just explain a little bit. If you can just clarify a little bit more, then I'll be happy to provide an answer to that. Okay, so Andrew says, I await my backstage instructions from Mandela for best behaviors. Okay, Tesla Model X, here we go. Tesla Model 3, what am I talking about? Tesla Model 3, performance-wise. Okay, so we're gonna get over to these charts, and we've shown some love to the chat. I was watching another live stream yesterday, and they were talking up gold, very bullish gold yesterday. So interesting when you hear someone talking very bullishly about something that you track, and then to see the exact opposite happen. It's very contrarian how that works. But Andrew and I have what we call a side bet, and as part of that side bet, he is short gold. I am long gold. I think we have it on this one. Is it on this one? It's on one of these charts. No, it's not that. It's this one. Must be. There we go. So we're pretty much right at the point where Andrew is now winning. So tomorrow is going to be Judgment Day, where we decide whether or not Andrew won his first side, not his first, won the next side bet. But Andrew was saying that by tomorrow this time, gold would be below 33.58, and right now he is taking the lead the last few minutes. So interesting to see if that holds overnight. We have these two kind of trend lines going on. It's on a 4-hour time frame, and we are kind of getting towards that connection point, that apex. So interesting now to see what happens next. I think key here is, do we see a bounce here off of the lows to give me a nice W, or do we see a breakout out of this range, which is kind of, I think, what Andrew is probably hoping will happen. But we got a few. 1, 2, 3. The more times you touch, or more times you test a trend line, the weaker it becomes. So on the top side, we have 1, 2. That's a look above and fail, you can call that. So tomorrow could be interesting. It could be today. But I'm wishing you all the best, Andrew. 33.58 on gold is the key. Now, where do I think it's going to go? I do think this area is key. If we cannot hold above 33.50 and we fail at 33.50 today, and we get a clean close below over the next 24 hours, then I do see potential weakness here in gold. I would also pause and say it may depend also on what's happening with the dollar. That's my input. All-time high is 3,500, which we hit earlier this year in April. So that's also a line for the bulls, target for the bulls. I think if we do see a reversal and maybe retest this upper trend line, then we're talking potential for a bullish move. But as of right now, the trend is definitely lower over the last couple days. And like I said, I was listening to another YouTube channel, another YouTuber, and he was saying gold is going up, gold is bullish, gold is bullish. This was yesterday morning, and lo and behold, gold is not bullish anymore. So just be very careful. Be very careful and do your own analysis. Just a reminder to everybody, nothing that is said is financial advice here. You are responsible for your investment decisions. Make sure that you consult a financial advisor or a professional before making any decisions based on any topics that we mention on our show. And there is in the description below. Check out the disclaimer at the bottom of the description for any more information. But just a reminder, nothing in this show should be viewed as investment advice. I think we all more or less know that, but it's good to be aware of it. So up next, guess what? We're going to cover a little bit on commitment of traders because we have a little bit of time left before we have to wrap it up. And then we'll do the live draw. So actually, let's switch it around. Before we do the live draw, we'll do the live draw first. Let's do the giveaway. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present to you the prize giveaway. Yay! All right. Okay, prize giveaway time. Let's have a look at the live chat. So just one more time, we have Dishi, we have General Mortala, we have, of course, we have Andrew, the host with the most, who will be joining me tomorrow. And what we'll do is tomorrow we'll cover commitment of traders. So Andrew is really good at keeping the show on time and on schedule, keeping it flowing, making sure that the live chat has love, and making sure that everything is running smoothly, which is very important. So we'll punt that until tomorrow's show. Who else we got? We got Brett. We got Kian. Thank you very much for joining us today. We got, I think I missed this one. Graymanish is present as well in the live chat. Special mention to Justina in the live chat, keeping everybody in line and happy. And we got NR. NR is also kicking it with us on this Thursday, the 24th of July. And last but not least, who else do we have? I think that's the live chat. Okay, so yeah, I see. Andrew's clarified that. Thank you, Andrew. So Lumina, thank you. I thought for some reason it was a stock that I had never heard of before, and I was hoping that I could get a ticker symbol or a little bit more detail. So for Lumina is actually happening next this September, and if you go onto their website, it's Lumina, spelling it wrong, Lumina Fest. There we go, and we'll share that for everyone. I'm gonna put a little bit more lively music on, I think. Here we go. Okay, so LuminaFest. This is a financial literacy summit taking place in September, on September 26th. It's a Friday in Bermuda. And you can get tickets if you like. We have, what else do we got? We got the lineup. So special guest announcement soon. And then yours truly here, courtesy of Signature FX, or a proud member of Signature FX. Make sure to check out our YouTube channel and our all of our socials, websites. Andrew is co-founder. Actually, I have my talking about Welsh tea right here. Very, very fresh Welsh tea, courtesy of Andrew. So I have a cup of that, keeping my throat very well lubricated. Yes, it's important. It's not as hot as it was earlier, but it's good. It's delicious. That's the main thing. It is absolutely phenomenal. So I will be speaking at LuminaFest. And if you want any more information, it's luminafest.com. Lineup is here. There's also some other information that you can check out. But this is yours truly here with a little write-up, a little bit of information about myself. And I'm really excited to be speaking at an investing conference. It's definitely an opportunity to connect with other people, like-minded people, and we have been giving away tickets to this on our YouTube channel, so check that out. Now, before I get distracted again, we are going to give away this this free ticket. So without further ado, right, so first, without further ado, I am going to thank you, General Mortala. Okay, so I'm going to scroll through the live chat, and the name that I stop on will be the winner of the live chat. And that's how it's going to work. Okay, so just scrolling through, and the winner of the free account is General Mortala. General Mortala, can you please post your contact for either for Instagram or for X in the live chat, and we will have someone from CTI contact you very, very soon. So congratulations, General Mortala, for winning the free account, a free CTI account. It's very, 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 very exciting to be able to give away free accounts while we're streaming live on YouTube. So make sure to comment below. Also make sure that you're subscribed to the YouTube channel as well. And I'm going to wrap it up and get ready for the day. If you want to know any more information about me, then you can contact me, reach out to me. My contact information is provided in the description as well. I'm happy to talk about trading. If you need someone to kind of give some guidance, we all go through difficult times, and I think it's very useful and sometimes necessary to have someone who has been there and who can help guide you and coach you through that experience. So feel free to reach out to me anytime you like. And a reminder to check us out tomorrow. We'll be prompt and ready to go at 1:30. So that's 1 hour before the markets open. For those of you who are in the UK or GMT, it's 1:30 for us. For those of you who are over in the US, that's going to be 8:30. Those in Bermuda, it's 9:30. So 1 hour before New York markets open. We'll be doing this all again tomorrow. I'll have a good friend of mine. We go way back. He's also co-founder of Signature FX. It's Andrew, who will be hosting with me tomorrow on the pre-market show. So I'll see you all again tomorrow. very excited to be doing that show tomorrow. Let's see, General Mortala, did you put your contact information? Yeah. So what we need, General Mortala, we need either your X or your Instagram username. Cool. Yeah, I see that you'll be there tomorrow. Before you leave, can you please make sure that you include that, because that is the only way that you'll be able to obtain your free CTI account. So last chance, General Mortala, what I'm asking you to do is in the live chat, type your X or your Instagram name. Not hashtag CTI, but your X or Instagram. If you have X or Instagram, please type that into the live chat now. I'm going to give you one more minute. And if you don't type your X or your Instagram, there will be no way for us to contact you. So if you want that account, it's very important that you provide that information. And this is for, obviously, for procedural purposes. Okay. So we gotta probably find a better way to do these in the future, Justina. But final call for General Mortala. Please type in the live chat either your X or your Twitter handle, or alternatively, you can type in your Instagram name or username, or your name on Instagram. And that would be the only way that you can receive your account. All right. I'm going to get ready for the open. Market's looking like, let's see here. Yeah, market's looking like they are just running away with it. So Andrew's been sending me information about how S&P in particular performs after we have OPEX. So OPEX would have been last Friday, which is options expiration, and it's been spot on. Yesterday we got what would have been, sorry, that was Tuesday. Yesterday we got what would have been just a quick buy the dip opportunity, and that was bought up very quickly, pushed us to what is now a new all-time high in the pre-market. So just phenomenal to see this move. In terms of targets, I think it's very, very difficult when you're just moving higher and higher and higher and higher to really be able to have a target that you can actually obtain or strive for. What am I doing? There we go. So this would be, if we do a daily chart, this is S&P pretty much from where we would have gotten that 90-day pause from Trump. And it has ripped. A lot of green days. Each one of these is a green day. So just magnificent to see. Yesterday we were up just under 0.8%. And this is probably what most of the market was not expecting. Just straight up, almost like a beautiful V shape. So let's see how things develop today. We will be going through quite a few things tomorrow on our pre-market show for tomorrow. So just make sure that you're tuned in to that. And yeah, I think that's it. I can't do anything more, Justina, other than to say thanks everybody for joining. You're watching the pre-market show. Yours truly, Mandela, here on the CTI YouTube channel. This is our new time. Welcome to our new time. We will be on here every Thursday and every Friday, starting 1 hour before the market opens. It's really great to have this opportunity. Also, thanks to everybody in the live chat for kicking it with us today. Really makes the show very, very special. And the reason why we wanted to do these shows a little bit earlier is so that we can give back and we can focus a little bit more on the live chat and be able to engage and provide more perspectives before markets open. So we're doing this for you, and we hope that you enjoy it. And with that, I think the only last thing is to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time to watch this show with us. And until next time, I'll talk to you all tomorrow. We'll be here, same time, same place. You can check us out on the Signature FX YouTube channel, or you can check us out simulcasted directly here on the CTI YouTube channel. From all of us here at CTI, I'm going to say stay safe. Remember to protect your capital, and I'll speak to you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye for now.